Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. So this is a paper. I believe it is from Allison Pennington. It is a digital file that I printed out at home. And this was just a regular 12 by 12 sized graphic that I sized accordingly in Photoshop and printed out. Although you can also pretty easily use these digital files in something like Google Docs and print them out in the right size. I have a tutorial for doing that if you're interested. I will link that below. So I've printed that out the background, and then everything else I'm using here is just scraps that I have there in my scrap bucket, which is my preferred way to work on things. Sometimes it looks like here I've printed out a few papers from this collection, but otherwise a lot of times I'll just dig through and see what I find, which is kind of fun. So once I have my layers here in a way that I like, I will add in a couple elements, and that will be that. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.